Hi and welcome back to my channel, Fabulous Ideas. And if you remember from the last video, I went to Tiger and I showed you all around the shop, and I bought something from Tiger that I'm so excited to show you in this video. So before I begin, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, so this is what I got, and I don't know whether you know about these, but I decided to get a surprise bag. And this one is for teens and adults, and they do them for children as well, and they do large, they do all different sizes. So I decided to get this one, and it's for teens and adults, and it says no peeking or you'll spoil the surprise. So let's start by taking the first item out. So let's open the bag, and I'm not going to look, okay? I'm going to be looking over here while I'm opening this bag, because I just looked down there and I shouldn't do that, but I can't see what's in the bag. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put my hands in because I just love surprises. If you anybody who knows me, I love just guessing what I think it is, and I'm going to do that right now. So we're going to have a bit of fun with this one. So I've got something. I don't know what it is. Wait there. It feels like a purse, and it has some kind of pattern. Oh, it is. I was right. See, it's a little purse, and it has a lobster on it. So, really nice. Is it my kind of thing? No, it's not my kind of style, but it's, I think, for a teenager, I think it's not for adults, but they did say teens and adults, and I think it's more on the teen side. Do we have everything for teens in here? We'll see. I hope not. I hope there's something a little bit for the adults, but this looks like more like a teeny girly thing. It's really pretty. I know there are a lot of people that I can give it to. It's not necessarily something for me, but like I said, this is a surprise bag. You win or you lose. I lose in this case, but there you go. A nice lobster little purse from Tiger. Next item. I'm guessing I'm good though. I got that one. Oh, this is something small, and it's in a little bag, and it feels like a pair of scissors. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay. It's really small. I do not know what it is. I think it's scissors. I don't think I got that right. It is plant labels. This is something I didn't even know Tiger did these. Oh my. These are plant labels. And you say the name of the plant. So say you were doing rosemary, or you were doing like herbs, and you had coriander, you got rosemary, you got, I mean, that could be good. But do I keep flowers, real ones? I don't think I could even cope looking after them. This is not something for me, but it is for an adult. I won't say it was a teenage. It is for an adult. It's just not necessarily for me, but I think I'll keep that. It could be a gift for somebody. Maybe somebody's got a herb garden. So there you go, item number 2. I had a little look there, but I tried not to. Okay, we're going to go with this one. It's got a handle. It's got a lever. I think I know what this is. It is a fan. Yes, it is a fan. So we have a blue fan. So there we go. It's a handheld, so you never need batteries, which is always a good thing. Does it have a switch here? No, sorry, it doesn't have a switch because it has a handle. So it is a fan. It's a lovely, I must say, a lovely blue colour, but it is coming to winter right now. It's not necessarily the best thing to be putting in the gift bag in the winter time. This is more of a summer present, and I'm pretty shocked that it didn't go in a bag when it's near summertime. But I got a fan, so what am I going to do? I'm going to have to keep it and pack it away, and it will come out in the summertime. So I got a blue fan. I'm not doing very well right now for gifts for me, as I'm not liking some of these gifts for myself. Let me see. Okay, I've got a few. I've got 3 already, and I've got something here, and it is small. It is there's plasticky glass, a very thin glass. Oh, Okay, it is a tea light holder, and it is a lovely pink one, and that does go, and it's very delicate looking. So I'm not angry with this, or I'm not mad at this gift. I actually could use this one. This is a gift for an adult. It's a gift for me. It could also be a gift for a teenager, but it's definitely a gift for me, and I would love, and I do have some pink candles, so maybe you'll see this in some upcoming videos in the background somewhere. That I like. That's a definite must keep for me, so I'm going to put that one over here. That is 1, 2, 3. We have 4 so far in this small bag. Let's see, I still feel things in here. They're getting small though, but oh, another one in a little packet. Oh dear, please don't tell me this is for the plants again. It's very hard to, oh right, okay. I seriously have no idea what this could possibly be. I can't guess what this is. Let me see what this is. Acrylic number. Okay, so I'm guessing it's a number 8. A plastic number 8. Ah, you can stick it somewhere. It actually peels off and you can stick it somewhere. And I know somebody who's going to be 8 very soon. Brilliant. We can use this. I mean, I wasn't expecting a black 8, but you know, good for a door number as well, may I say. It's good for doors. It's not a keep for me, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on number 5 now. Let's see what we've got. Oh, I'm coming up to number 6. This one's a little bit heavier. It's heavy. It's heavy. I can't. It's squidgy. It's weird. I really don't know what it is. Let me see. It's a rubber. It's a rubber, and it's Dream in green. So you get an eraser, and it is in a lovely green colour, and it's got Dream. It's not for me necessarily, but I can imagine teenagers would love this because they go to college, university, school even. So I know somebody that I can definitely give that as a gift to. So like that, and I love the nice positivity Dream. So definite must for somebody there. So we're on, wait, I keep losing count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on 6 now. Right, I've saved this one because I think it's the biggest one. We are down to the last one. The gifts are gone. I'm getting so disappointed. You know when you want to prolong it? Okay, we're on the last one now. And I think I can guess what this is. This is definitely a book. This is definitely a notepad. It has the elastic on the side. Whether it's lined or planed, I don't know. I'll show you guys first, so you decide. I can't imagine what the motif is at the front. I know Tiger do loads of different ones, so we're just going to have a quick look now. Oh, so we got the flamingos flying with the blue sky and the clouds. And let's have a look what we got. Got writing in. It's lined paper, so good for a notebook. So this is another keep, because I can make some notes on here, maybe some notes for my next upcoming videos, who knows. So I have, from out of, I keep losing count, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, I get 2. So I get something, I get 2 out of 7 isn't bad, okay? And 5 of those I definitely have homes for gifts. So if you're thinking about getting a surprise bag from Tiger, it is a lot of fun. There probably are some things that you probably won't use, but I'm sure there are people you can give them to as gifts, and Christmas is definitely coming up. And also maybe things you can keep for the summertime, if there are summer gifts in there. But no, this was a lot of fun. Like I said, I know they do children's ones, they do big, they do small. I didn't want to, I was a bit, wasn't sure, so I went for a smaller bag this time. Maybe next time I go for a bigger bag, and if I do, I would definitely share that video with you. So this is a different video, and if you haven't seen my previous video of going around Tiger and showing you everything they've got right now for this autumn, they have all the Halloween stocks in. Don't forget, I will put the link in one of the little boxes that you'll see here, showing you that video, so definitely click in there so you get to see what's in Tiger at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very exciting one for me and a lot of fun. I do love opening things, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you think this was a great video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please do not forget to watch my next video and hit on that notification so you don't miss that video. So bye for now.